Our world-class educational platform is the key for all age groups to be able to code in an environment that is the most appropriate for each one of them. Initially, every student uses digital building blocks to create their first project. This is the easiest way to understand the basics of programming and to adapt to the algorithmic way of thinking. The Blocks mode has been created for beginners and for younger ones. Its colorful blocks contain all the complexity of real programming and makes it easier to prepare the projects. The learning process is also customizable, as every age group works with different complexity of commands called palettes. In case of the most common programming languages, it is necessary to learn specific syntaxes and concepts which can be hard to make experiential for the students. Kids can easily lose their interest if they try to understand every little detail of the complicated code lines, so that real coding can feel strange and tough. On the other hand, the educational platform of Logiscool has a unique way to ease the transition from colorful blocks to written code. We have created the Mix mode, which is a special way for the kids to use a real written programming language, and they can still see the previously known blocks as well. It depends on the student's own learning speed and internal comfort to choose between the two views when they want to create the project, because these views are interoperable from both ways. Learning the written coding can become easier and simpler. Anyone can reach the projects from anywhere, thus it can be shared with friends and family easily. All the students have a chance to use the platform in their own mother language. Additionally, its appearance can be shaped according to one's personal taste as well. There are plenty of animated actors and infinite 3D-like backdrops that you can choose from to create your very first unique, spectacular game. Students are able to add gravity to their projects, reverse it, or simulate zero gravity by turning it off. They can model how the wind blows or the way snooker balls collide with each other. Thanks to these awesome features, it is now possible to create games in Logiscool that are unique and super cool.
We all depend on technology to communicate, to bank, and none of us know how to read and write code.
The first program I wrote asked things like, what's your favorite color? Or how old are you?
I wrote a program to play tic-tac-toe.
I first learned how to make a green circle and a red square appear on the screen.
You're just trying to make something, trying to transfer something from your mind to the computer or to a tablet. It's an experience.
The whole limit in the system is just that there just aren't enough people who are trained and have these skills today.
The programmers of tomorrow are the wizards of the future. You know, you're going to look like you have magic powers compared to everybody else.
Great coders are today's rock stars. That's it.
you.